The code for our duck frog animation has 3 sections: jump, ribbit, and blink. First, we'll place duck frog at the center of the screen by clicking the Code tab, then click Events, drag the When Clicked icon to the script workspace, click Motion, and then attach Set Y to 0 to when clicked. Next, we'll create a speed variable. Click the Code tab, then click Variables, click Make a Variable, and the New Variable box appears. Enter speed in the variable name box and click OK. This creates the speed variable. To make duck frog jump, set the speed to 50, start the boing sound, show jump 1 costume, and use repeat until to animate the jump costume sequence by changing to the next costume, change Y by speed, wait 0.1 seconds, and repeat until you get to costume jump 7. Now we'll add gravity to make duck frog fall back to the ground. Add change speed by -20 to the code inside the repeat until pincers. This reduces duck frog speed by 20 every repeat, so that once the code runs 3 times, duck frog starts to fall. To make duck frog ribbit, wait a bit, start the ribbit sound, show the ribbit costume, and wait a bit more. Now to make duck frog blink, we'll use the same code found in the video Scratch Coding Tricks number 1, Duck Dog. Your finished duck frog code should look like this. Now press the flag button to try it. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.